Mr. President, this statement is drafted in consultation with Asociación OT de Chile, a civil society organization that works for the rights of the trans and non-binary population, whose contribution drafted a report for this process. We appreciate that the State of Chile accepts all recommendations related to LGBTQI rights during the fourth cycle of the Universal Periodic Review. We praise, above all, the recognition that Chile must create public health policies and generate safe and quality access for the trans population. We also praise that the state recognizes that legal protection for all population must be improved. We believe that although this milestone might mean progress, the State of Chile has not taken a firm position regarding the transphobic wave experienced in recent years, leaving our population in total uncertainty. The figures indicate that violence against trans people has increased by 145%, and trans femininity remains unclassified. Any of our demands remain unheard as a result of how any rights movements are gaining more and more strength. Legislation such as the School Coexistence Law, which seeks to prevent violence in schools, and the Trans Labor Quota Law remains stalled in Parliament. Our population is still not part of national public policies regarding access to housing and decent work, maintaining the logic of unemployment, homelessness, and poverty. We do not have access to justice. There is constant impunity, given that the judiciary to date lacked a gender perspective to make its ruling against us. At the same time, older trans adults seek the existence of a law of reparation and recognition resulting from violation of human rights by the state, before, during, and after the military dictatorship. We believe that the State of Chile should recognize non-binary people and trans minors, both in legal matters and in health issues. We urgently call to the government to work together with trans and non-binary civil society organizations with an interministerial action approach to implement the recommendations generated by the fourth cycle.